That's nice. Describing my life. What is your name? My name is Fernando Augusto Rojas. Where are you from? I'm from Roldanillo Valle. How are you? I am 59 years old. What is your email address? My email address is farojasb@unalvirtual.edu.gov. What do you do? Well, I work in a factory in the Jumbo industrial zone. Where do you live? I live in Jumbo Valle. Describe the place where you live. I live in a neighborhood called San Fernando. It is located in the center of city. It's a nice place. There is a central park, schools, little stores. My neighbors are good persons, but sometimes they are listening to music until the morning. The house there are 2 or 3 levels. Also, there is a hospital. Briefly describe your daily routines. My daily routine starts when I wake at 4:50 a.m. Next, I get up and take a shower. I dress myself, cook breakfast, brush my teeth, go to work. I take lunch at 11 o'clock and go back home at 7:16. I cook dinner. I do homework. I until 21. Then I watch TV and go bed. Routine and weekends plans. And on the weekend, I usually time with my family at home or we also I like to go for a while I'm my grandchildren's. My significant person is my wife. Her name is Nancy. She has 49 years old. She works as early childhood care teacher. She has a direct connect with the ECBEP. Nancy, who is also short with brown edges of blonde hair, she is an odd woman. Supportive, but we are not perfect. A negative aspect of her is that she is very impartial. Share some experiences. Share an experience that made you feel happy. I was born, but my son and my daughter, David and Mayra, made me happy with a nice gift. I win some wallet. It was an excellent day. Describe an event that made you feel sad, nervous, or worried. I am sad because the citizens in Colombia are the victims of injustice, but the young or choice peoples, and what is a particular dressing and using the elderly citizen, I feel that they are victims or injustice. And they finish my video. That's nice. Thank you so much.